Well, tonight, some people are wondering how layoffs at the IRS will affect their tax filings and refunds. Gordon Severson spent the day with local tax pros to find out what, if anything, you should do now to get your money faster. Gordon?
Well, according to the latest reports, the layoffs would affect between 6,000 and 7,000 employees at the IRS, around 6% of the agency's entire workforce. Sources say these are probationary employees. Most have been working at the IRS for less than a year. Tax professionals say the cuts could affect taxpayers, so here's what you need to know. Right now, millions of Americans are filing their tax returns. Many are hoping for a refund.
The refunds are coming out. All of that is that part of the machine works pretty well.
CPA Scott Katerlich says the layoffs at the IRS should not affect how quickly most Americans receive their tax refunds this year, because that process is mostly handled by computers. According to the IRS website, tax returns filed electronically should take less than 21 days to process. Katerlich says that timeline should stay the same for most people, unless there's an error on your return, or if you send your return through the mail.
If you're still filing with a paper copy of the return and you're stapling it, somebody's got to remove those staples, somebody's got to, handle that paper.
So if you file electronically and have direct deposit set up with the IRS, Katerlich says you shouldn't see any changes this year. The biggest change he expects will be for anyone who has to call the IRS to answer a question or to address a problem, because many of the employees who answer the phones are probationary employees who are affected by this recent layoff.
People answering the phones is always the biggest question during tax season. Can you get a hold of somebody? Normally there's a wait time, and hopefully that the wait time doesn't increase dramatically.
The Minnesota Society of CPAs is also encouraging taxpayers to file their returns as quickly as possible, just in case, saying, quote, "This is a fluid situation surrounded in uncertainty." Now, tax professionals say these layoffs could force the IRS to make technology improvements to make up for this loss of productivity. They see a lot of potential with new software programs and artificial intelligence that could be used to answer questions and fix errors almost instantly. So a lot of uncertainty right now, but possibly a more productive IRS down the road.